Hello everyone, welcome back to my Unreal Engine Cel Shading tutorial series. So as you can see here, I got rid of almost all the details from the textures in the game world. So it's like only just colors now. So yeah, that's what I'm going to do today. So actually I'm not going to change any textures. Using the same textures I have, I'm going to show you how to get rid of details, so only the colors will be there. Right. And as always, this episode is sponsored by these generous patrons. Thank you very much for the support you guys are giving me. Okay, so yeah, we have worked on our post-process part of the cell shading, but still I think we can't go that far more than what we have done without changing these textures. So basically, to make it look like a cell shaded effect, I think we need to get rid of these details. So yeah, actually I can open this texture and modify, or I can do something like instead of using a texture, maybe I can apply a color also. But yeah, let's try an easy way. Let's just look at how does the material is developed. Right, so this is the texture, this is the tree bark, and this material instance is based on this M standard material. Let's open it. Okay, so the quickest way to use only the color of this instead of using the whole texture is maybe we can scale up this with a large value. Yeah, let's try that. Texture coordinate and multiply with the parameter. I'll promote this to a parameter. I'll call this tiling, and well, if I apply 0, it becomes a single color. If I apply 1, you can see the complete texture, right? So if I do something like 0.001, well, it looks like this. So actually, if I am going to do this, it is very ineffective because we don't really need a texture. But anyway, just for the preview, I'll put a very small value. Actually, why not 0? Yeah, let's try with 0 and apply. And let's see how does the tree bark look now. Okay, it looks like this with only a color, but okay, we need to get rid of this normal map. We don't need the normal map. So I'll break it. Yeah, I'll just completely break it and apply. Right, now this is how our tree bark looks in the with the new material. And okay, so this is how it looks in the world. Alright, it doesn't have any detail now, only a color. So you can see that effect is applied to all the tree barks. Okay, so let's go ahead and do the same to other objects as well. Alright, so What about leaves? Let's see. Yeah, we have this leaves material, leaves master, and yeah, we don't have. Yeah, we can apply the same thing here, the tiling effect. Let's do that. I'll copy from here and apply to the leaves master like this. And also I don't need the normal map, so I'll break it and apply. And now let's see how does the leaves look. Okay, well, I don't see anything here. Why is that? Ah, right. So here we need to have this opacity. So right, we can't do that here. So what we should do is maybe well, we don't have a option here unless other than multiplying this. So right, let's multiply this. I'll name this one base color, and then connect it here. So just in case if I need to revert to remember this, I'll keep a point here. Alright, now I'll connect. Okay, now as you can see, there is only one color. Details are gone. Right, but then we have to do this for all the instances that I have used this material. It seems I have used that only for the trees in this case. Yeah, that's a good thing. What about these objects? Okay, I'll work on them. Right, and now the next thing is grass. Trees are okay now, leaves are okay. Now the grass. Let's see. Let's open one of these. Is this the one we have much? Yeah, this one. Okay, this is the grass texture, grass. Detail. Let's use here also we need the opacity. Therefore, I'll duplicate this one and connect to base color as this setup. Okay, and apply. Well, still I have some variation. Is it because of normal? Right, I'll disconnect the normal. Okay, now it looks like only one color, with a bit of a variation that comes from subsurface, I think. Yeah, that's okay. This looks like a tone now. Tone shade. Okay, let's see how it looks here now. Right, better. Too bright. Let's adjust it later. But better. Okay. Now what next? The ground. Yeah, ground is too detailed. Okay, let's see what the landscape material is. Okay. We have these scale parameters. No, I can't open them. Okay, we have this scale here. So that means I can put 0 to them, right? Okay, let's see what happens if I make this one 0. Well, looks like nothing happens here. Alright, so actually this is dirt scale. So in order to change the grass scaling, I need to change this. So here if I put 0, nothing is changed as I'm previewing this node. But if I put 0.01, you can see only the color. So let's do the same to all the layers. 0.01. Okay, now I'll stop previewing node so we can preview the final node. It's like this, and I'll go ahead and apply. I think I need to disable the normal maps also, but let's wait. Let's see how does it look here, and then see whether to disable or enable normal maps. Right, now you can see only the color. Okay, good. Wait, where's my character? Okay, now all left to change is these textures. Actually, it would look a lot better if I, instead of using only one color, if I use a cartoon texture for these brick shapes. But for now, let's use only one color. Props master is the material here. I don't think I need this one. So let's copy that node setup we have used here, and paste and apply. Okay, and what about these? Yeah, what's this one? Okay, we still have these shapes here. This one. Right, so let's change this material as well. We already have this tiling. Yeah, let's connect them like this, and I'll keep the original setup just in case I need to revert the effect. Okay, so what's this? We have another texture. Yeah, this one. First material. Right, now we have only a color. Let's apply it. And now the only thing remaining is these rocks. Okay, so let's go ahead and change the rock textures. This is the cliff instance material. Oh, it looks like a large material, a very complex one actually. Where's the base texture? All I need is to change in the tiling of the base texture. Here we have a normal map. What's this? Base color comes from here. Well, instead of changing the material, maybe we have some scale parameters here. Let's see. Alright, looks like we have. So let's, okay, I can get rid of the details just like that. This is for the grass world scale, and let's do the same for the others as well. That doesn't make any change. What about this one? That also doesn't make any change. How about this parameter? Let's make them all 0. Okay, now this looks like a cartoon, doesn't it? Yeah. Alright. This doesn't stay. Oh, it's a different one. Scale, grass scale to 0. And what else? Rock detail to 0. Everyone should go 0. Okay. Alright. Well, this does not look really impressive, but anyway, I'll just finish this. So if this doesn't work, maybe we can get rid of this, revert all the changes, and start fresh in the next episode. Okay, so now we have eliminated all the details from the sea. Well, except this part. What's here? Oh, that's a different part, but it's okay. We don't see that from there. Oh, what about this? Oh, this part. Is it this one? No. This one. Ah, right, this one. Tiling. That's not good. Let's do it from here. Okay, so this is the second one. Oh, that's better. Alright, now let's play the game and see how it looks. Well, this is not very impressive, but anyway, this is the conclusion of this episode. should we eliminate these details from the character as well? I think it's okay, at least for now. Right, so I'll stop this episode at this point, and let's see what else we can do in the next episode. And thanks for watching. So if you like to support my work, you can get the membership of my Patreon club. Link would be in the description below. And yeah, see you in the next episode. Goodbye.